Trump claims Biden is out to destroy Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency industry. Greetings, crypto devotees. Thanks for coming back today. Video plays a crucial role. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum were accepted by Donald Trump. With Bitcoin's occurrence, the crypto market has turned bullish again. A huge step forward for the cryptocurrency market. Now we can cut to the chase. Trump, Donald. Joe Biden is attempting to destroy the U.S. cryptocurrency business, according to the former president of the United States, who is setting up a battle with Biden this year, his competitor, for president in 2020. Trump, who amassed millions of dollars selling crypto-based digital trading cards, has just started taking crypto campaign donations. He also stated that Biden wants Bitcoin and crypto in the U.S. to die a slow and painful death. Be sure to hit that like button if you're still watching. Totally insane, according to Trump. I have a very positive and open attitude towards Bitcoin businesses and anything else associated with this emerging market. Truth Social, Trump's social network clone of X, was where he posted. Originally created in 2022 under the Twitter name, the most shocking thing about today's footage is that Trump took a total of 8 cryptocurrencies, including SHIB. It's possible that another 0 will be erased soon. The campaign of the former president will take Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ether, Solana, and Bitcoin, according to Trump's website. In response to an online statement, the campaign for President of the United States of America has established a fundraising page that allows any legally authorized donor to contribute to its joint fundraising committees using any cryptocurrency that is compatible with the Coinbase commerce platform. According to Trump, our nation needs to take the lead in this area. Second position does not exist. Conversely, corrupt Joe Biden. Crypto adoption and Bitcoin have been halted by our worst president, which has had a devastating effect on the U.S. crypto business. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin, scored a fully fledged Wall Street Spot Exchange traded fund ETF this week, thanks to a change in the political winds in Washington that had been strongly against the technology since the FTX crypto exchange collapsed. This development is expected to attract investors who had previously shied away from the cryptocurrency market. Since the introduction of spot exchange-traded funds from Wall Street, the value of Bitcoin and Ethereum has skyrocketed in the past year. Even though the Fed may be planning to turbocharge the price of Bitcoin, you should still get depths. The outspoken Biden fan and Shark Tank entrepreneur Mark Cuban warned earlier this month that Biden's stance on cryptocurrency could help Trump win the 2024 election. As a result of the unexpected approval of the Ethereum ETF, the price of Ethereum has been hovering around $4,000 per Ether this week, while the price of Bitcoin has risen to an all-time high of over $70,000 per Bitcoin. This has presented an advantageous opportunity for Bitcoin. Regarding Trump's plan to adopt cryptocurrency, nevertheless, what are your thoughts? Leave a comment below. Your comment would be greatly appreciated. Now this video has reached its conclusion. Feel free to subscribe and give the channel a like. Do your friends a favor and share this video too. It is time to spread the word. Thank you for tuning in. Things turn into a total nightmare. The red chart is still there, but it's only serving as a diversion. Contrary information is provided by the on-chain data. Behind the scenes, we have BlackRock, Coinbase, and you might have a whole new impression of Shiba Inu after watching this movie and learning their moves. But what on earth am I referring to? What gives you reason to be enthusiastic? Okay, I'll try to clarify. Another drop in prices occurred in the Shiba Inu during the last day. The fact that this is the third day in a row that the value of Shiba Inu has been contested is notable. Neither Shiba Inu nor its creators are directly responsible for the main cause of the breed's downfall. On the contrary, the ever-changing Bitcoin is the key player. Any changes in the Bitcoin world usually have a big effect on the value of Shiba Inu, since these dogs like to follow the price of Bitcoin very closely. Today, we will not go into the nitty-gritty of Bitcoin's price fluctuations, due to the abundance of important Shiba Inu news that needs to be covered. It should be noted, nevertheless, that BlackRock has witnessed yet another day without the Bitcoin inflows, once again for 3 days in a row. At the same time, Grayscale is selling off its Bitcoin holdings like hotcakes. Also, it's shocking and utterly bizarre. Very soon after the US government approved Bitcoin ETFs, over the course of 70 days, BlackRock experienced a surge of inflows. People were astonished and concerned when they first noticed 0 inflows 2 days ago. Can you fathom the level of panic that exists now when no funds have been received for 3 consecutive days? It is possible that investors are selling off assets and anxiously watching the market. The market is worried about more recessions, becoming less optimistic about the whole cryptocurrency sector. Many investors are now wondering what's going on because it's so unusual. Simply said, this is. Considering BlackRock's 70-day inflow run, this is clearly not the norm. Zero inflows for a day could make sense in theory, but BlackRock is still a formidable investor in practice. But it remains, I don't know why, but 3 days with no incoming funds? Something is clearly amiss, since this has us worried. What piques our interest is the zero. For whatever reason, this does not appear to be an influx or an outflow. In fact, it is zero. The question then becomes, what may be the causes of this anomaly? Several things could be at play here. For example, institutional investors could decide to reallocate their funds. There could be regulatory ambiguity, or BlackRock could make a strategic move. But the precision makes us wonder whether these aren't BlackRock employees making a move and not investors. Maintaining a constant zero seems to go counter to what would be considered normal human behavior. Usually there is a little variation, regardless of how little, positive or negative it may be. But staying at zero for 3 days in a row appears planned, more indicative of a move by BlackRock than of investors' usual behavior. However, at this stage, every speculation is justified due to the lack of specific facts. I digress. This is the rationale behind it all. For 3 days running, Bitcoin's price has been falling, dragging the entire cryptocurrency market down with it like a Shiba Inu. Nonetheless, we may still expect to see the Shiba Inu price rise of 41% during the next week. You may recall that the Shiba Inu price went up 53% from April 19th to the 22nd, following the team's announcement of a $12 million fundraising campaign. In the past 3 days, Shiba Inu has pared 10% of its weekly gains, bringing the total to 41%. Nonetheless, it is intriguing to note that the derivatives markets have recently shown trends indicating that bulls are still seeking additional gains. That is all that matters if bulls are still looking to make bigger gains. Matters. Minor shifts in time, particularly if the cause is unrelated to Shiba Inu. Wide crypto space isn't important. Consider it in this way. Even if you encounter some difficulties on your road journey as a result of traffic or bad weather, it will not affect your final destination or the quality of your vacation as a whole. The same holds true if Shiba Inu's value fluctuates because of market forces beyond their control and the market as a whole is falling. So long as fundamental demand and optimistic sentiment persist, it has no bearing on Shiba Inu's long-term prospects. Putting aside the 10% price tag on the Shiba Inu, the past 3 days have seen a correction. Meme coin markets as a whole have been soaring recently. Speculative traders have been ramping up their bets in an effort to get a jump on Shiba Inu's upcoming recovery phase. When compared to the prevailing price trend, the rate of new futures contracts is significantly higher. Pay close attention to this. Although there have been temporary setbacks, there is a great deal of excitement and belief in the potential for the Shiba Inu price to recover. Therefore, it is anticipated that the price will rebound. Futures contract activity among dealers indicates that they are placing bets on a positive outlook for Shiba Inu prices. The uptick in activity has the potential to add gasoline to the fire of optimism, influence the price to rise in the near future. And here's something you need to know. Cohen Glass, the open interest indicator, assesses the overall worth of open futures contracts for a particular currency asset on a weekly basis. There was a $51 million open interest in Shiba Inu, however. Open interest in Shiba Inu has climbed by $23 million since the April 19th charge, reaching $75 million at the moment, according to the most recent data. Importantly, this is a strong 45% increase in Shiba Inu open interest within the week, which is higher than the 41% increase in Shiba Inu open interest within the week, which is higher than the 41% increase in Shiba Inu. A significant trend in Shiba